Good day. I'm Jaco Kasselman. I head up Clindata, a partner company of Clin Global. My main focus is data strategies in animal health, and I've been in the research industry for about the last 20 years. So my topic today is animal health data standardization. Clindata have an experienced team of data managers, biostatisticians, and analysis programmers supporting our scope of protocol generation, study planning, database setup, validation, analysis output creation, report creation, input and review, and of course submission support as well if needed. Everything we do is aligned to the ALCUA principles of the FDA, which is attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. We offer support on all types of research projects, no matter what the scientific practice is, and we ensure our process is fit for purpose and meet budget constraints. All this using systems and processes in both paper or EDC platforms. Okay. The objective of our solution to aid livestock decision making is to create a standardized database or standardized databases using our livestock data standardization model as a guidance spec when creating databases, and then having lean and reproducible approach in all data management documentation processes, statistical analysis as well. All this resulting in the goal of cutting back on timelines and making data sharing across platforms and projects much easier. So our solution in action is, how do we get there? Data needs to be collected in data sheets in standard format regardless of the system that is utilized, and the database would be configured making use of our LDSM procedure, and this will result in us having a project database in a standard format. If the data is collected in any other format of system, it needs to be processed to be in the similar format or of the LDSM standard module that we have. Once all of the data is in the project database in the standard format, then it's as easy as just running the pre-programmed analysis code, running that on the project database to generate all the analysis outputs. It's easy then to run because all the variables and data types are as expected according to the LDSM. Once the study closes out, then all the data sets of the data collection modules is just amended into the data sets of the data warehouse for our LDSM, and that's linked then to the specific domains there. Once that's in place, all the data is in a standard format, and it's easy to perform cross-reference analysis for trend analysis, new project identifications, and to do any exploration work on that data. This model applies per sponsor or per client, and that LDSM data warehouse will be applicable to the specific client, and each line item in the warehouse will have a study identifier just to reference it back. So in the end of a project, what do you have left? It's really only the data, and we strive to align our processes to ensure that the data is in a reproducible process to aid all the stakeholders, so that the scientists can focus on the science and not worry about data entry, data standards, how to program and validate analysis outputs, so they can really focus on the science of the study and what's important. So yeah, this is what I can share with you in the 5 minutes I was granted. So please feel free to contact me should you ever need advice or just a soundboard on project planning or conduct, or any legacy support that we can offer, or advice on getting a database in a standardized format, making analysis easier, and then in the end, cross-study analysis is key. Thank you very much for your time.